Normally we have to produce an animation for every state. So for example, we have to make an animation for standby and shooting, standby, only standby, running and shooting, only running, walking and shooting, only walking. So the number of animations, in this way the number of animation can grow too much. How to avoid this? We can avoid this by using what we call animation channels. Animation channels or animation layers can be taught as image layers that can be superimposed each other and blended. I give an example. Okay. In S2ENGINE, animation can be stacked into a set of layers. The topmost layer superimpose all the others. The top layers can have a mask. A mask make the layer to superimpose only one part of the model. For example, in this case we have a body top mask that is showed in red color. The top mask make the top make us to have two layers for the animation, one layer for the running and one layer for shooting. The layer for shooting is superimposed to the layer for running through the top, the body top mask. This means that the effect of the shooting animation is applied only to the mask. So the shoot animation is superimposed to the working animation only where the mask is. For example, okay, we make a simple example. Okay, this is the shoot animation, right? The shoot animation is made in this manner. You can notice that the bottom part of the model isn't animated, but only the top body. Okay, this is because when superimposing the animation layers, the bottom part of the shoot animation isn't used. Okay, how to test this inside? How to test layers superimposing inside the model editor we can use the mask tool. Okay, first we select the blend to the animation we have made. Then we have just selected the mask to be applied to the shooting layer that is superimposed to this animation. Okay, in this combo box we can choose the animation to be placed into the top layer, so we can blend this with the playing animation. We now have a mask, a bottom layer that is the animation currently running, and a top layer, animation layer, that is the shoot animation. To see the shoot animation blended, superimposed to the working animation, we have to click on mask button. This is what we will see inside the game when we make the soldier shoot the player. All these can be controlled into the game machine, and we will explain how to do this. We can we can change the blending parameter, so we can test all the animation. So shoot while run, shoot while walk, don't shoot, shoot, don't shoot. Okay. How to choose the mask? How to choose the mask? The mask can be chosen by choosing the node of the model skeleton from which the mask must start. If we select the pick node, if we click on the pick node button on the start node, we can select the node from which the mask must start. So the mask in this case will be only one arm. So in this case, if we make the animation shoot, only one arm will be animated. This is because we have chosen the mask start only from the shoulder node. Okay. Note that every time you change the mask, you have to reselect the layer, the topmost layer animation for testing. Okay. Stop nodes are the nodes the mask must stop. For example, if I want the animation to start from spike node, but I want the animation to stop on the shoulder, we see the right arm to be excluded by the mask. So now we select shoot mask. Only the left arm will be animated because we have excluded the right arm, the right arm. Okay. We can delete the stop nodes. For now, I think is all. We have learned how to create animation clips and how to edit them. How we can make how we can prepare the animation of the soldier character in order to make him facing and moving in different directions. And we have learned how to create a animation channel mask, animation layer mask, and how to test two animation layers. We also have learned what is animation layers. We have said that animation layers are superimposed through the mask and blended through the mask. The topmost animation layers superimposed the layers below only where is the mask. If you don't choose any mask, all the layer is superimposed. Okay, for now is all. In the next lesson we will start to learn how to apply all these, how to manage animations inside the game machine. Bye.